Cram in there, slam in there, sardines. We eat in herds around here.
Oh man.
Wait, what? You're next to me. We'll be cozy.
All right, we're at Beer Farm. We got a few rules. No, we don't.
You might want to keep your hands and feet inside. Our monster's too bright.
Wait, can I?
She's seen me drive before. That's what the problem is.
I'll do it this way.
I kind of used to have a license.
Oh, girl.
Me too.
It works out.
Hey there.
But I keep my arms and legs and everything in.
You
don't know what? No.
Let me see your license.
I don't open my eyes until I get back.
Oh, girl, don't.
Say when you come back.
Yeehaw.
That's why we signed the waiver.
I think you're opening your eyes. Where is it? There's something here. I know it. Yeah, he's dropping. Why are we slowing down right here? He's never drives right. Guys, I'm gonna get a heart funky. Uphill.
Whoa! Did you see that?
Oh my god!
Whoa!
Hang it on! Here, get back up! Shut up!
Whoa! He's on board.
Whoa, he got on board. He jumped on! Oh
Oh, look, you got out of the car.
Go faster! Go! Right there! Right there! Right there! Guys, this is inappropriate. Get out! This is inappropriate and violent.
He's coming. He comes.
Let's go again. That was fun.
Oh, girl, no.
Woo! I taste dirt.
What happened? Oh, I didn't see anything. Whew, man, I'm glad I made it.
I know you had. You didn't be there for a minute.
I know, it's chasing me around.
Don't enjoy yourself.
Whoa. That was crazy.